Hey guys, so I got a new ceiling fan from the flea market. This is a 30-inch Harbor Breezeway open box I got for $30 over there. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. The instruction manual right here. It's a bit dirty as you can see, but oh well. Got your blades, reversible from white to oak, I believe. Yeah, this thing's definitely dirty for sure, but oh well, honestly. We got your mounting bracket right here. Got your hardware pack, your switch cap, yeah, this thing's definitely nasty as you can see. I'm definitely gonna have to throw away the styrofoam for sure. You got your 6 blade arms. Well, actually there's 5. No, yeah, there's 6. Okay, we're good. I thought there was 5. Your light kit assembly. Your 3 glass shades, I'm gonna leave them in there. And the motor, which I need 2 hands to lift out. Here's the motor housing right here. Now I need to lift out the motor. Actually, you know what? I got it. Trying to see what the date on this thing is. Trying to see if it even has one. Hold on, I need to unwrap it so I can see it better. Okay, never mind, I found it. And it's from April of 2001. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share your thoughts down in the comments, and stay tuned for more content to come.